Hi everyone, and welcome to week 8. This week we are working towards the research paper where you're exploring a problem in your field, and I really enjoyed the options that you all have provided to me. I've given you all feedback on your proposed topics, and I think you're all rocking and rolling. So I'm excited about what you're going to come up with. This week, for reading, you're directing your own. So you should be finding source material related to your project and reading it. That should be enough to keep you busy this week. In addition to that, you're going to do a small group workshop and a large group workshop. I put these out of order here. Let me move them around. The large group workshop will come first, as usual. So I've added 2 papers here in the large group workshop that are former student papers, so you get a chance to see their different approaches to the assignment, and maybe you'll come up with a different approach yourself. These are just 2 options, and they're an opportunity for you to look at another person's paper and notice what they're doing well and what they might do for revision. And then you'll repeat that later on in the week in the small group workshop. You'll find your name here in one of the 5 groups, and then you'll find the associated paper that goes with your group, and you'll work with that small group to notice what's working and what needs revision in the papers. So remember, what we're working towards this week is that research paper due in week 11. I have provided response to almost all of your research papers. I think I have 2 or 3 of them left to do this afternoon. So if you have any questions about that, make sure you let me know. I hope everyone's doing well. Take care and let me know if you want to talk about anything.